Namaskar friends, welcome to Easy Peasy Hindi. Friends, today we will learn the names of wild animals in Hindi. The word animal is known as janvar, janvar in Hindi, and wild is known as jungli, jungli in Hindi, and therefore wild animals are known as jungli janvar in Hindi. So, friends, let's begin with the national animal of India, tiger. Tiger is known as Bagh, Bagh in Hindi. Sher, that is the Hindi word for lion. So, lion is known as Sher, Sher in Hindi. Cheetah, cheetah is known as cheetah in Hindi because it is derived from the Hindi word which means spotted. Cheetah. Leopard. Leopard is known as Tendua, Tendua in Hindi. So here the pronunciation of T is similar to that of the as in the word pasta. So the way T is pronounced in pasta is how we will pronounce the T here. Tendua, Tendua, Tendua and not Tendua. Okay? Then comes jaguar. Jaguar is pronounced as jaguar in Hindi because this animal is not found in India and therefore we don't have a Hindi word to refer to it. Then comes puma. Puma is known as Parvatiya Singh. Parvatiya means mountain, Singh means lion. So the lion who lives in the mountain is known as Parvatiya Singh. Then comes black panther or melanistic leopard. It is known as Kala Tendua in Hindi. Kala Tendua. Kala means black. Now, friends, I'm sure most of you would have seen the movie and read the book, The Jungle Book, where Black Panther or melanistic leopard or Kala Tendua was immortalized as Bagheera, Mowgli's friend. Then comes hyena. Hyena is known as Lakad Bagha. Lakad Bagha in Hindi. Lakad Bagha in Hindi. Then comes wolf. A wolf is known as Bhediya. Bhediya in Hindi. Bhediya. Bhediya. A grizzly bear is known as Bhalu. Bhalu in Hindi. Fox. A fox is known as Lomri. Lomri in Hindi. So the D is pronounced as R. Lomri. Lomri in Hindi. Then comes jackal. A jackal is known as Siyar. Siyar in Hindi. Siyar. Siyar. Wild boar. Wild boar is known as Jungli Suwar. Jungli Suwar in Hindi. Jungli means wild and Suwar means pig in Hindi. So, wild boar becomes Jungli Suwar. Porcupine. Porcupine is known as Sahi. Sahi in Hindi. Then comes bats. Bats are known as Chamgadad. Chamgadad. Now here one D is pronounced as the, as in the case of then, there, and the last D is pronounced as R. Chamgadad. Chamgadad. Panda is pronounced as panda in Hindi. Red panda is known as Lal Panda. Lal Panda in Hindi. The Hindi word for red is Lal, and that is why we call it red panda or Lal Panda. Then comes Nevla. Nevla. Nevla is the Hindi word for mongoose. Mongoose. So mongoose is known as Nevla. Nevla in Hindi. Elephant. Elephant is known as Hathi. Hathi in Hindi. Then comes deer. Deer is known as Hirana. Hiran. Now, if you have problem pronouncing ana, the last letter, that is N as Ana, then you can simply call it Hiran. Hiran. That is also correct. Then comes stag. Stag is known as Barasingha. Barasingha. Basically, it means Bara refers to 12 and Singha means sing, that is horns. Most of the animals have 2 horns, but a stag has many horns and therefore it is known as Barasingha. Then comes rhinoceros. Rhinoceros is known as Gainda. 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 Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus is known as Dariyai. Dariyai. Ghoda. Ghoda in Hindi. Now the reason is Dariya in Hindi means water or river and Ghoda means horse. So a kind of horse that lives in water would be known as Dariyai Ghoda or river horse. And that is why a hippopotamus is known as Dariyai Ghoda, because we all know hippos spend a lot of time under water. Then comes our cute little monkeys. Monkeys are known as Bandar. Bandar in Hindi. Gorilla. Gorillas are known as Van Manush. Van means forest and Manush is similar to Manushya. Manushya means humans. So something that is similar to humans and lives in the forest is known as Van Manush. Now friends, animals like chimpanzee, giraffe, kangaroos, raccoon, zebra, as we saw in the case of panda and jaguar, they are known by the same names in English and Hindi because they don't have a special name in Hindi. So friends, I hope you liked the video and you learned the names of lots of wild animals in Hindi. Thank you so much for your time, friends. I really appreciate it and I'll see you soon with another video. Till then, goodbye, take care and बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.